All right, so this one's a pretty rare one here. I have collected the Laljoux 7750 movements on a lot of watches. And just like this 7000 series, very similar to the Porsche design, the Laljoux 7000s, the Heuer Pasadenas, Orfinas, and so on. It's a chronograph, two pushers, got the original case back. Let's see if you can see here. Try to zoom in. There's your 7000. The PVD, they'll get worn off like that, give it that almost like a polished look, but it hasn't been polished, but it's been all worn out. So this is the turbo script, just like the Porsches, and the days are in German. I've had a couple of the Orfina watches, the Porsche designs, and they'll be like that too, depending on where you bought it from. But unfortunately on this one, I can get it to work, the winding, but it was fast, and this chrono here doesn't seem to want to work. You can see this chrono here to the left is working. So I can't get this second hand to work. Let's just say it's going to need a service. A watch buddy of mine said that possibly a new spring, but I'm not sure on that. But it does have the 7750. Let's see if I can open it up for you now. I know it's going to be hard for me to zoom in on that for you. But the watch itself is in pretty decent shape. Does not have the original band. Not even sure what that would have looked like since this is such a rare watch. I have seen the 924 turbo watch, but I haven't seen it where it's just turbo script, which I assume would be for the 911. You got a little nick up there around 1 o'clock. If it was me, I'd probably just put the Porsche design band on it. You can still find those. They're a little bit harder to find, but a black PVD Porsche design band would look great on this and get it service.